The Civil Society Committee is seeking the creation of a permanent national emergency fund to address Nigeria's humanitarian crisis and the challenges of displaced persons and refugees in Nigeria. Moyo Thomas reports.
Monitoring and Evaluation Committee says the scale of displacement from conflicts, terrorism, farmer-herder clashes, and natural disasters such as floods and windstorms continues to overwhelm available resources, which has put millions of Nigerians in dire situations without food, shelter, education, and medical care. The committee, which is calling for the establishment of a pool of funds to address humanitarian relief, recovery and reintegration, says it will guarantee swift emergency response and reduce the delays often caused by budgetary processes. The group added that the fund would also provide comprehensive support, including healthcare, education, skills training and livelihood opportunities.
Behind every statistics is a human life and a child without school, and a mother without shelter, and a father without livelihood. Nigeria today is faced with one of the most complex humanitarian situations in our history, from violent conflicts and terrorism in the northeast, north central, and other zones across the nation.
The committee urged the National Assembly to commence the legislative process for the establishment of the fund and to ensure that provisions for transparency, accountability and periodic public reporting are clearly enshrined in the law. It also emphasized that state governments must also contribute as first responders to emergencies within their jurisdictions. While commending the National Commission for Refugees, Migrants and Internally Displaced Persons and the National Emergency Management Agency for their work despite limited resources, the committee stressed that with adequate and sustainable funding, these agencies could reach more people, restore dignity and rebuild more communities. With climate change, insecurity, recurring disasters, deepening displacement across the country, CSOs insist that a permanent emergency fund is not only urgent, but also a moral obligation. Moyo Thomas, TVC News, Abuja.